Alright, let's talk about something that's shaking up the crypto world. ETF approvals, and why they're such a massive deal for prices. So, what's an ETF? An exchange-traded fund is basically a basket you can buy and sell just like a stock. But here's the magic. When an ETF is tied to something like Bitcoin or Ethereum, you get exposure to crypto prices without having to mess about with wallets, private keys, or dodgy exchanges. You just buy it through your regular brokerage, the same way you'd buy a share of Apple or Tesla. Easy as that. Now, why does this matter? Because it opens the floodgates. Suddenly, it's not just the hardcore crypto crowd getting involved. Pension funds, hedge funds, and that ultra-cautious uncle of yours who only trusts his FTSE tracker, they can all have a piece of the action. It's like taking crypto from the fringe and putting it right in the center of the financial universe. But here's where it gets spicy. Whenever there's chatter about a new crypto ETF approval, especially for the heavyweights like Bitcoin or Ethereum, anticipation builds. Traders start piling in, hoping to ride the wave up. You'll often see prices rally even before the actual decision. It's a classic case of buy the rumor, sell the news. And when the approval finally drops, boom. There's usually a surge as fresh money floods in. But, and this is important, sometimes the hype is already baked in. That's when you see the sell the news moment. Early birds take their profits and prices might dip for a bit. But let's zoom out. The real game changer isn't just the initial price move. Over time, ETF approvals bring in big institutional players, which means more liquidity and deeper order books. That's finance speak for trading gets smoother, and wild price swings can start to settle down. Plus, the stamp of regulatory approval gives crypto a whole new level of street cred. It becomes harder for anyone to write it off as just a fad or a gamble. So, what's the bottom line? ETF approvals don't just cause a quick spike, they can fundamentally reshape the entire crypto market, from who's trading to how stable it all feels. If you're watching crypto prices, keep your eyes on those ETF headlines. Because when the doors open wider, the party can really get started. Join us and reach your next crypto level.